As you walk up to this 3,500 square foot Newport floor plan, you'll be amazed by the impressive custom brick and stone masonry. As you make your way inside, you'll notice the high vaulted ceilings, designer fixtures which opens up to a private study, and formal living and dining room that's perfect for entertaining. Just past the curved staircase, you can't help but marvel over the custom floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace and the custom ceilings. Right next to this family room is our chef's kitchen, which comes equipped with stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, custom cabinetry, a gas range, a large center island, and an optional butler's pantry. On the ground level, you'll also find 2 large bedrooms behind the family room with a Jack and Jill bath. As you make your way up to the upgraded curved staircase, you'll love the expansive owner's retreat, which leads into an elegant master bath with spa-quality amenities such as a designer shower, oversized jacuzzi tub, dual vanities, and a spacious walk-in closet. The second floor of the Newport floor plan includes a game room and 2 large secondary bedrooms. If you love movies, ask about designing your own media room, including surround sound inputs. We can build this First Texas home in communities all across Dallas-Fort Worth.
When you finance your new First Texas, Gallery Custom, or Harwood home with the American Dream Team of Supreme Lending, you will receive a $3,000 gift card to Nebraska Furniture Mart, compliments of First Texas homes. Make sure to ask us about our Supreme Rate Guarantee. We are confident in our low rates. If we cannot beat another lender's rate, we'll pay you $5,000.